Welcome to DIY with Aurea and the Blue Conte. Ready, let's make some magic jig.
Hello guys, welcome back to the 12 days of Christmas, and today is day 5 and it's all about snowman. So let's get crafting. I'm so excited to show you my first project. I went to the dollar store and I purchased this beautiful gift bag. Look at the picture in front. What a beautiful picture. So I'm gonna go ahead with my scissors and cut this front part out. And this foam board, I've had it in my stash, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this picture right on top, and I'm going to be cutting it to size with my X-Acto knife. I'm going to be applying this glue stick over the entire picture, which will make it easier to adhere to the entire board. Now that all the glue is evenly applied to this piece, I'll go ahead and adhere it to the board to ensure it's nice and secure. I'll turn the board around and press it down evenly to make sure that it is fully attached. I picked up some painter sticks along with some bamboo sticks from Temu. I cut them to size and coat them with some Waverly ink paint. I watered that Waverly ink paint down. After giving them a quick wipe down with a napkin, I'll start arranging them around the picture frame. And this is the fun part. I'm putting everything together. So with plenty of hot glue, the painter sticks, I am going to be placing them around the frame just to make sure that it looks nice and cohesive. I'm creating a window. Moving along with these bamboo sticks, I'm going to do the same process that I did with the painter sticks. I'm going to take the same watered down ink from Waverly. I'm going to give it one coat, and then I'm going to cut them to size and start framing the inside of the window. So this is looking nice, but I want to make sure that this looks nice and complete. I am putting more hot glue on this corner right here, and then I'm placing more bamboo sticks just to make sure that you're not able to see that board. And I'm going to do that to the entire frame. And then once that is done, with some spackle, I water it down, and the spackle is from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be placing some of this spackle everywhere that I see a gap. And then later on, I come back with the same Waverly ink paint, and I am going to be retouching it. This will be it. This is turning out absolutely gorgeous. My dear friends, I also want to thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time stopping by, I hope you consider subscribing. Don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. Make sure to hit that notification bell button, so like that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. I hope you enjoy this beautiful project. This is my favorite from this video, and here's the final reveal. I'm going to begin with these two fish bowl. One is a little taller than the other, and I'm going to be putting white sand on both of them. I also have some of these gold Christmas tree. I'm going to be placing 3 of them inside the bigger bowl. And then I also have some green trees, and those I'm going to be placing them because they are smaller on the smaller bowl. And then later on I looked at them twice and I'm like, they're a little too green for me, so I came back off camera and I heavily flocked all of them. I'm also going to be adding some of these little glittery foam balls. You can find all of these items at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be placing some of them on both. I'm trying for this to look sort of like a snowman, so I'm going to go ahead and add some glue over here on this upper section, and then the smaller bowl I'm going to be placing it right on top. I also have this lid, and this belonged to a candle, so I kept it and now I'm going to be repurposing it. I'm going to be adding these gemstones here, and this is self-adhesive, so I am going to be placing it right around the entire lid. The access I'm going to be cutting off with a scissors, and then once that is done, I'm going to be placing it right on top of that fishbowl, and it fits absolutely perfect. And for the scarf, I took a gold ribbon and I placed it with a little bit of hot glue. I hope you enjoy this project, and here's the final reveal. For this next project, I'm going to take this huge picture frame. I'm going to go ahead and take the back section off, and then I am going to start painting it with white chalk paint. I'm going to give it 2 heavy coats. Once the paint is completely dry, then I come in with some Mod Podge just to seal everything in. Once the entire frame is completely covered with the Mod Podge, then I come in with a little bit of heat and then I put it to the side. I also have this Christmas tissue paper, and I am going to be using one of the sheets. I'm also going to be cutting it to size, and I'm measuring that back section of the frame, and once it's cut to that size, then I'm going to start placing it in the inside of that frame. So now it's time to go ahead and assemble this back. I'm going to put the glass in first, then the tissue paper, and then I'm going to be placing in that same picture that the frame came with, but I'm placing it backwards, the white facing the tissue paper, and of course then I'm going to be putting that back section in place. And then I'm going to be cutting with the scissors all the excess paper that is left over. And this is how it looks. Look at how cute. Now I have some window clings. I am going to be placing one of the snowmans and a whole bunch of snowflakes on it, along with that season greetings. Today's video is part of an open collaboration, 12 Days of Christmas, and this is day 5. The theme is Snowman. And this is being hosted by Rustic and Lace DIY along Crafting in Mimi's World. I'm going to be leaving their links down below in my description box along with a playlist. Please make sure to go ahead and visit that playlist and let them know that I sent you. I will also be participating on day 9th, which is Christmas song, along with Christmas tree. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of these videos. And if you missed day 1, which was ornaments, I'll leave that video down below so you could go ahead and check it out. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate you. And here's the final reveal. I hope you enjoy it.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.